Hello, good afternoon to you. It's me again, Spiller, the IT headhunter. Greetings from Budapest, from the bank of the Danube, not far from the National Theatre, from the headquarters of KBC Global Services Hungary, where I've made a short clip for you because at the moment I'm looking for different IT experts for KBC Global Services that provides IT solutions for insurance and banking. We are an international team of Belgian and Hungarian colleagues, and at the moment we are hiring new IT professionals for the Hungarian part of the team. In this short clip I'm going to talk about the company, the team, the job specification, the package, the requirements and the selection process as well. At the moment I'm looking for a scripter who is going to work as a cross-team scripting expert. Therefore you are going to create scripts for different IT teams at KBC Global Services. Your job is to provide scripts for backend servers. And what we expect from you is Unix, Linux and Windows knowledge, scripting skills in PowerShell and Python, ability to build modules in PowerShell and Python, DevOps and DevSecOps experience in refactoring existing code, hands-on experience with Windows Task Scheduler, Windows Active Directory and Citrix environment, PowerShell skills, hands-on experience with Active Directory commandlets, Citrix commandlets, Python skills, hands-on experience with configurations like JSON, network communication modules like NETMIKO, and documenting in Confluence. Alright, so as for the package, what we offer here is a competitive package including fringe benefits, which is 10% of your annual base salary. We also provide annual performance-based bonuses. We also give you a Medicover health package and a company phone with mobile internet and private use. And you can also get special employee discount on different banking services. And as for KBC, this is a stable and secure environment with career opportunities, learning opportunities and different training courses. And this is an English-speaking working environment with some business trips to Belgium, and we have flexible working hours, so there is no check-in and no check-out, and no one's going to check your timesheet either. But we have very active teamwork with 2 office days a week. We also have a very active community life with social events such as dragon boating, beer and pizza parties and sports days. And we also have a company restaurant with a view over the Danube, which is really beautiful, I think. And if you come by bicycle, you can use the bicycle storage and the showers as well. Well, as for the selection process, the first step is a pre-screening call with me. The second one is a technical interview with the Belgian Scrum Master and the technical team members. The third one is a personal HR interview in the Budapest office. So, apply for the job if you are interested and if you fulfill the requirements. And if you have some more questions, send me a LinkedIn message and I will call you back and we can talk about your salary expectation as well. And thank you very much for your attention. Thanks for your positive reactions and feedbacks, and thanks for resharing my previous clips too. And keep following me on different channels such as YouTube, LinkedIn, X, Facebook, Instagram and on WordPress where I have a blog. Plus these clips are also available in a podcast format on YouTube podcast. So don't forget to follow me on social media too. Thank you very much and goodbye.